Meep. Meep. Sorry guys. Okay, so today I will be showing you guys Chloe. She's a kitten of mine. And let's see. Hold on. Hold on. That's pretty hard. Okay, so I think I got an idea. Okay guys, I am going to just hi. Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys Chloe. She's a kitty and she's sleeping, so... Oh, she's awake. Morning, sunshine. Morning. How's it going? Okay guys, this is Chloe. In the next video I'll be showing you this. It's so cute. Okay, so guys, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and subscribe. I know I already said that, and hit that bell all over there. Yeah, to be part of my channel. When I upload a new video, you will know. So, yeah. Okay, guys, I gotta go. Chloe wants to sleep now. Okay, bye. Remember, guys, this is the Tabitha world.